So we're going to shade this box, and we're going to start out with the light coming from the top and the front. So this side is going to be the most dark. So we add a layer of hatching, and then we add a layer of cross hatching. And if we wanted to get even darker, we add a layer going another direction. It's a little bit darker towards the bottom normally than the top. Now, the top is going to be the lightest, which means the front is going to be just a gray, so we can do some spaced out hatching here. And we want to get really realistic, we can add a little bit more as we go down to the sides. The shadow of this box is going to be on the same side as the darkest side. So it comes out here like this, comes out here like this. You can sort of have the shape of the box. It can be a light shadow, it can be a dark shadow. I'm just going to scribble it in. You, of course, can do nice hatching and nice cross hatching. Now, the triangle, because the light is going to hit mostly that right side, we can just go ahead and shade the triangle itself a little gray. And actually this, it's going to be hitting the left side, so light's coming this way, which means this side is going to be darker. Like so. And then you want to have to imagine kind of what the shape would be like stretched out to make the shadows, which is a little bit difficult. Kind of have to guess. We do it a couple times. Hatching, cross hatching. It can be a dark shadow, it could also be a very light shadow. The dark shadow kind of looks really nice, but light as well. Do it really dark at the edges so it pops out a little bit. And you can also take your eraser, by the way, and make just a little bit of a highlight to make that edge pop out, and that could help out a little bit as well. All right, so then for these other shapes, you sort of have to decide what you're going to do. Lightest part is going to be the top. Darkest part is going to be all the right-hand sides. So if we shade in this real quick, all right, do a little bit of cross hatching. You can see how that works already. Now really there's going to be a shadow from this angle here, which we can add. Make this really dark. So it looks like the top part is making a shadow on that part. All right, and then the front again can be a nice light gray. Like so. Boom, boom, boom. Again, shadows are hard if you're going to be having a funky shape, so you're going to have to kind of guess. And we'll do a little bit of a light shadow this time. Again, I'm doing it kind of scribbly. Do it really dark right where it hits. And then it fades out really and gets fuzzy as it goes. All right. So that's some examples of some shading.